2-ingredient pumpkin bread. Stay tuned. Hi everyone, it's so good to see you all, and welcome to all my new subscribers. Well, in the United States, 4 more days is the start of autumn or fall, whichever you prefer to call it. And you know what that means? Ooh, pumpkin spice and everything nice. Although I see that most of the stores aren't waiting till fall. They have all their pumpkin stuff out now. I went to Trader Joe's the other day. I came home with a whole bag full of pumpkin goodies. So I thought, why not? We'll get a head start, right? Look at this. Did you ever see this before? My girlfriend and her husband, Kathy and Bob, came over the other day for lunch. She brought me this little pumpkin. And I looked on the bottom of it, and it says it's called a sparkler pumpkin. Now it's all flat, and then it has this long stem. So my grandson Lucas said that he thinks it's called a sparkler pumpkin because of the stem, like you would light at the end of it. And he could be right. I said, well, maybe it's because it's all flecked like that. So have you ever seen a sparkler pumpkin? If so, let me know in the comments. This is a little one, but I've never seen one before. So anyway, I'll put that aside over here. And oh, look at this before I get started. I found these in Hobby Lobby. Look at this. These mason jars, and they have the cutouts on the top. And all the, spice-smelling potpourri and nuts and pine cones are inside. Smells so good. So I'm getting a couple of days head start, but I won't put out my Halloween decorations till October. So anyway, you asked Diva, what are you making for us today? Well, I am going to make for you the easiest, most delicious, moist, scrumptious, 2-ingredient pumpkin bread. Now, I have been making this for years, and I will tell you, you can make this into muffins too. And if I'm not mistaken, many years ago, these were on a Weight Watcher plan. Now, don't hold me to it, because now the plans have changed and they have, I think, different color plans. But I think if you made this into muffins, it might have been like 3 points on one of the plans, but you can look that up yourself. So, what do you say we get started? So easy and so yummy. All you're going to need is 1 box of any brand you like, but you'll need spice cake mix. A boxed spice cake mix. And you're going to need 1 can of the 100% pure pumpkin. No, not the pumpkin pie mix. This is the pure pumpkin. Ooh, all natural it says, and no preservatives. I just happen to have Libby's brand. Now next you're going to preheat your oven, which I've already done, to 350 degrees. And then I took a loaf pan and I sprayed it with a non-stick spray. You can use parchment paper if you want. And then you're going to need a large bowl. Simple so far, right? We're going to take our cake mix and we're going to put it in our large bowl. So in with my cake mix, I'm going to put my entire can, is a 15-ounce can of the pumpkin, in with my cake mix. Couldn't be any easier than this. Scoop all that lusciousness out of there. Okay. Now, I like to take a wooden spoon and mix this all together. You don't want to over mix it though, all right? So let me start doing that. Sorry for the screaming in the background. It's the parrot again. All righty. So let me get this all mixed and I'll be back and I'll show you what we do next, so don't go away. Now, as you can see, you want to get all of the powdered cake mix mixed in with the pumpkin. It's going to be very thick, that's why I use a wooden spoon. So let me get all of that combined. So are all of you getting ready for the fall? Getting your fall recipes out? Oh, I love pumpkin. I could eat pumpkin all year long. And I do. I love pumpkin pie. All right, so don't overmix, just get all of this combined. All right, now, this is basically all you need for your 2-ingredient pumpkin loaf. However, it's optional. If you want, and you don't have to, you can put in some add-ins. Now, I like it just the way it is, but I am going to add into here some chocolate morsels. Chocolate and pumpkin. 2 thumbs up for that one. Or you can add some chopped nuts in here. Whatever you like. But you can just leave it with the 2 ingredients and it comes out perfect. I'm going to take my bag, Sleeves Dark Chocolate Chip Morsels. I'm just gonna put maybe a handful of those in there. That's good. And then just mix them through. Okay. Now, we're going to spoon this into our greased loaf pan. I don't want to overmix. My bird is being a pain in the neck today, sorry. Heaven. I'm going to spoon everything into this loaf pan. Your batter's going to be very thick. And that's normal, it should be. This is a very moist cake. It comes out so good. What could be easier? You don't need an electric mixer. 2 ingredients? I mean, come on. All right. Okay. Get my spatula. I don't want to lose any of this goodness. No, no, no. Now I'm going to put this in my 350-degree oven for 40 to 45 minutes until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Alrighty. This is what it looks like before we bake it. So I will be back after this comes out of the oven and I remove it from the pan, and we will do a taste testing. Plus, stay tuned because I am going to give you a recipe for pumpkin pie spice. You can make your own, so stay tuned. Okay, everyone, I'm back. Well, I baked this beautiful pumpkin loaf for 45 minutes at the 350 degrees. And as you can see here, I'll hold it up for you, and my cameraman can zoom in on this. This is what it looks like when it's taken out of the oven and it's cooled. Can you see it, cameraman?
Yeah.
Alrighty. Now, once it's cool, what I like to do is I like to shake a little confectioner's sugar on the top. So I'm going to do that now. Shake it, 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 shake it. Now I'm going to hold it up for the cameraman and he can zoom in on it with the confectioner's sugar on it. Look at that, baby. It's a nice moist cake and it's so yummy. So I am going to slice it now and I am going to do a taste testing. And look at, I have my cute little pumpkin dish from last year, so I'm gonna put it in there. I'll cut off the end piece. Oh, it smells yummy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. I have to hold this up for you before I eat it. Look at this. Oh my God, let me turn it around so the pumpkin's facing the right way. Look at this. Can you see it, cameraman?
Mm-hmm.
Look at that. Oh, it smells so good. And it has those yummy chocolate chips in it. Like I said, you don't have to put chocolate chips in it if you don't want to. Oh, let me turn this around. Oh, so moist. Look at that. Moist and yummy looking. So let me do my taste testing. Oh, I forgot to tell you. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Go down below and smash that red subscribe and press the little bell next to it until it says all, and that's it. You'll be a subscriber. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and make a comment. I love my comments, and YouTube loves them too. So anyway, let me taste this. Oh, my mouth is watering. Oh, it smells so good. Alrighty, here we go. Here we go. Oh, This is delicious. It is a very, very moist cake, and that's just the way I like it. And like I said, you don't have to put the chocolate chips in it, but I did. And they're kind of all melted in there. Oh, so good. And, Now, I did say there was going to be a little bonus recipe for you if you stayed till the end. So I was going to do a separate video to show you how to make pumpkin pie spice. So what I'm going to do is, rather than do a separate video, go down below in the description box under the video, and I will have the recipe written out for you on how you can make your own pumpkin pie spice. You don't have to buy it in the store. Make it yourself. Put it in an airtight container. Keep it in your cabinet for whenever you need to use it. And for now, I am going to say goodbye. I love you all. Remember now, 4 more days is the start of... Who the heck is this? Oh my God. The cameraman left the camera. What are you doing, cameraman? He had his school pictures taken today. But do that little flip with your head. Yeah, he had his hair gelled back for your pictures. Did you give them that nice dimple smile? That's his dimple smile. Okay, everybody. Love you. Thanks for stopping by. Take care. And what do we say?